Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher, Nancy Pandey. So, my dear students, today we are going to read a new story from your English reader book. Chapter number 6, and the name of the story is The Elephants and the Mice. So, students, now we are going to read a very interesting story of the elephants and the mice. In this story, we are going to learn how, or we are going to know how the small mouse help the big elephant when they are trapped by the trappers. Let's read the story. Long ago, there was a city. On one side of city was a lake. Only mice lived there. So, my dear students, many years ago there was a city, and in the one side of city there was a lake, and there mice lived. They had fun and lived happily. So, on the one side of the city, group of mice lived with fun and happily. On the other side of the city was a jungle. So, students, on one side of city there was a lake, and on the other side there was a jungle, and in the jungle lived a herd of elephants. So, in that jungle, herd of elephants live. They were ruled by wise king, and they too lived happily. So, the herd of elephants were ruled by a wise king, and they also lived there happily. One summer it did not rain. The elephants were thirsty. So, my dear students, in one summer days it did not rain. The elephants of that jungle were very thirsty. They need water to drink. They decided to go to the lake. Then, in need of water, they decided to go to the lake that was on the other side of the city. As the elephant rushed through the city, they did not see the small mice. They crushed them under their big feet. Many mice died and many got hurt. So, when the elephants rushed through the city, they did not notice the small mice, and they crushed them under their big feet. So, due to this, many mice died away and many got hurt. Let us go and talk to the king of the elephant. Maybe he can help, said a wise mouse. So after this incident, the wise mouse said to their friends, let us go and talk to the king of elephants. Maybe he can help us. Three mice were sent to the elephant king. They bowed before him. Then three mouse was sent to the elephant king, and they bowed before the elephant king. One mouse said, "O king, we come from the city near the lake." After it reaching to the elephant king, one mouse said, "O king, we come from the city near the lake. While you and your friends were passing through our city, many of us were killed." Then the mouse said to the elephant king that, "O king, when you we come from the city near the lake, and when you and your friends passing through our city, many of us were killed by your big feet. Some of us also got hurt." "Sir, will you kind enough to choose another path next time?" Then the mouse said to the king that, "Sir, please choose the another way to go to the lake." The king was sorry to hear that so many mice had died. After hearing this, the king was sorry because many mouse had died. "I won't happen again," he promised. Then the king elephant promised mouse that it won't happen again. "Thank you, sir. We are small but may be able to help you someday," said the mice. Before leaving the elephant king, the little mouse said to king, "Thank you, sir. We are small and someday we will be able to help you." After many days, some trappers came to catch elephants. They dug pits and covered them with branches. So, after many days, some trappers came into the jungle to catch the elephants. So, for this day, they dug pits and covered them with branches because they want to catch the elephants in those pits. When the elephants passed over the pits, they fell into them. After this, when the elephants passed over the pits, they fell into the pits. The trappers came and pulled them out and tied them to trees. After this, the trappers came and pulled them out and tied them from the trees. After this, then they went away to tell their leader. Then the trappers went away to tell their leader. The elephant king remembered the mice. The queen took the king's message to the mice. After this, the elephant king remembered the mice. The queen elephant took the king's message to the mice. Many elephants have been caught by trappers. Can you help us? After this, Queen Elephant went to the mice and tell them that many elephants have been caught by trappers. And she said them to help them. Of course, we will help you, the mice said. After this, the mice said, of course, we will help you. They came running to where the elephants were tied up. After this, the mice came running to where the elephants were tied up. They beat the thick ropes and cut them with their sharp teeth. Soon the elephants were free. After this, after reaching to the elephants, they beat the thick ropes and cut them with their sharp teeth. Soon all the elephants were free. The big elephants and the teeny mice became friends. After this, the big elephant and the teeny mice became friends. So, my dear students, from this lesson we learned that we should not consider anyone small. So, this was the story of the elephants and the mice. I hope you enjoyed this story. Now you have to read this story till then. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.